Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to put on these Rarity nail strips. I sell these. If you go down and look in the description of this video and in most of my videos, I have a link where you can go buy them. They are real nail polish nail strips that you put on your nails. They last up to 14 days. They come in multiple sizes and right inside this package, and you get 20 double-ended strips for $5, and then sometimes you can get them for $3 when they have some left over and they're putting out new ones. They'll put them on sale. So somebody had asked when I did a video before about them how to put them on, so I'm going to give you a little tutorial, show you what you get in the package. It also teaches you on the back, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do it. What you'll get when you open up your package is you'll get your nail strips like this. These are some sparkly purple ones. You get a little wooden stick thing, cuticle to push down your cuticles. You get a nail file, and you get an alcohol prep pad. So what I did first, of course, let me turn on the light because I got natural light coming through. It doesn't seem to be working well. Okay. What I did first, of course, I washed my hands with soap and water really good and washed the nails. I also went ahead and took my own nail file, filed down my nails into the shape that I want them. I sort of like a square nail. If you want rounded, you should do that. You could do it with the one they give you or your own. I like a metal one, so I do it with my own. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this end right here is to get like the dirt and stuff off from your fingernails. I already did that. This end is to push back your cuticles, so when you put on your nail strips, you have, all your nails showing. So just gently push back your cuticles. Some people, I guess you could clip your cuticles if you want to. I hate clipping cuticles. I hate when I've only went and got a manicure, I think, one time in my life, and I don't know, that hurts. I don't want to clip the cuticles. So I'm just going to push them back like this. I'm going to do my left hand first since I'm right-handed. Okay, and then you take your alcohol swab, and you can wash off each nail like this. And leave that to the side because we're going to still use that. It opens, let me get a little closer. It opens up right here, so you just peel them open. Now you got 20 strips, so that it's going to be more than one here like this. They have plastic over them, as you can see. So you're going to find which one would fit. I start with my thumb. It's usually that one that fits. They're perforated, so you can take them off like that. What you want to do first is peel off the plastic that is, you see that is over it. Peel that off, and you'll smell the nail polish because this is real nail polish. That is all smooth, so all that sparkly stuff is not sticking up. Then you peel off this right here at the silver part. Peel them off. There's your nail strip. Turn it around. That came off, but that's okay. You can leave that on or take it off. I always turn it around, and then line it up with where you just push back your cuticle. And it's really sticky, but you can get it off and on. I do that, and then I roll it so it's, see how it fits your nail? I could have put it a little farther back, but you can always take it off. So you can take it off and stretch these. And I'm going to put it up right there. Roll it back and forth. Get a good grip on it to stick it down. Okay? Isn't that pretty? And then go to I always take my other nail. You could also do it with a nail filer if you want to, or the one they gave you. Go all the way to the edge of where your nail is. Make a crease across it. Like that. And as you do it, you're going to be pressing down on it, and it's going to almost perforate that where you can rip it off. And then go back, and you can take it off. You got a little bit left. You could save that and put it on another nail if you want to. You could take it and put it on your toenails if you wanted to. Yeah, matching. And then I just kind of file that down right there on the edge. And I like to wrap them around a little bit. Just kind of file that down. And then what I find works for me is I take the alcohol swab after I've got them done and I go over the nail polish with it. It doesn't take the nail polish off. I feel like it seals it and it makes them stick on there better. So that is that. I'll do one more here to show you. That is really easy. That is real nail polish. It looks good. Get you over here in the light, show you. It looks good. I don't know. I'm in the shade or something here. I think it looks nice. Let's do another one. So you, depending on, you know, the size of your nails, just go through and kind of, that wouldn't fit all the way for mine. You just kind of go through and see which ones you think would fit. That would be a little too big. I don't know. I like that one for that one. So we're going to take that one off. Remember to peel the plastic off. And get a hold of the gray spot. And peel that off. That stayed on there that time. Oh, it came right back off. It's perforated. That's why it comes off so easy. And then take your nail. Put it right back by the cuticle. Roll it this way and that way to get it sealed on the edge. These also, if you see a little bit of your nail showing, you can pull on these, like pull the side up and pull them over, and they will stretch without breaking to cover that nail. It's not covering it quite like I want it to, so I'm going to take it back off. There. Press it down. Get good and solid on there. I'm going to take this. Get right underneath the edge of my nail. Line all the way over, back and forth. Get it off of there. See, it peels right off. You got a lot left. And then just kind of file that into your, like you would if you had extra nail polish or an extra piece of nail. You file it and it will come off. Take your alcohol swab, go over it, and there you go. I'm going to do the rest of my nails and come back and show them to you after I'm done. Hope that gives you a good idea of how to put these nails on. Like I said, I do sell these. It is down in my description of every video I have. They're called Rarity nails, and they have them in all different colors. You don't just get sparkly. They have solid colors. They have ones that have designs all over them. They promote ones for different holidays and different times of the year, like fall, summer, spring. So they're really nice, and they're only $5. They're much more affordable than other ones you will find. And I get make a little bit of money off of it if you order some. So I appreciate you, and I'll come right back at the end and put a picture of what my nails look like. Thanks, guys. Bye.